Good morning, people, followers. Jack Hawk took to the car wash, one of those simple washes. Looking good. I'm over here at the house. I'll take a look at the damage over here. I gotta rent a chipper. Took that. See, now they're easier to cut down. Now for the summertime, I'll take down these stumps. But now I gotta rent the chipper now. Gotta cut all this stuff. What a mess I did here. At least I don't have to deal with the leaves. I don't want to deal with the leaves. Wow, what a mess. Look at this. Took all this tree down. Those suckers, they came down. I did a little damage here. Oh, just the caps. No damage. I still got it. Wow, look at that sucker. These things were huge, bro. I took that sucker down. I'll take these, the rest of it, I guess in the summer, warms up, but I need to get rid of these, the branches now. With this wood here, gonna make me a shed. I still need to cut down those. This one I'm gonna leave, and those two, but those there, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 more to go. 3, 4, 5. That one I'll leave for the shade. Yep, 5 more. I took that one down over here. These two I'm gonna leave. Those are colorful trees. Goes my trailer. The hauler, the Hellcat hauler. I took this tree down. Beautiful day out here. My son-in-law's Jeep. I got all that to pick up. Well, not pick up, chip them up. See, I'm gonna do a walkway over here with those chips. Throw them in the black truck. My neighbor put solar panels. Now she'll have more sunlight to her solar panels. Need to get rid of those freaking bags. Like 30 bags there. All these leaves I gotta pick up. Man. These trees, I ain't messing around with these trees. I got 3 more that are mine. 1, 2, 3. Supposedly these are mine. The lady said. Oh, these are staying. I need to get rid of that bush there. I want to get rid of that bush. I think I'm gonna build the shed right here. Right down here, I'm gonna build the shed. That wooden shed. I'm gonna throw the chips right here. This walkway right here. That's where I'm gonna throw the chips. Right back here. I cleaned this out here. These trees, I ain't messing around with these trees. They're away from the house. I'm gonna throw the chips right here. I'm gonna cut them up. I'm just gonna take this. Whoa, okay, that's loose. Yeah. Got the neighbor here. He's cleaning up. I'm gonna, yep. I'm gonna throw down the chips over here. Like a walkway over here. Come up over here. Look at this crazy ass freaking tree. All the branches, look over at the branches. Weird looking tree. Yep. Yeah. Guy put a nice fence, nice metal fence. The neighbor looks very nice. Yeah. I don't know what's this. I gotta clean this up. take those two pine trees out. Had them in the front of the house. Gotta take this out. We'll do this Saturday. Alright guys, enjoy your beautiful day. Yep.